In recent years, we've helped many clients in the manufacturing industry benefit from custom merchandise. Here are 3 smart strategies we've learned that will help your company be more effective. Number 1, employee rewards. When manufacturing companies reward their team with safety compliant shirts, it unifies their team while also raising the overall morale. Number 2, sales incentives. When your sales team hits their goals, give them the opportunity to earn quality merchandise. A stylish polo, jacket, or backpack will help them look great while doing what they do best. Number 3, client appreciation. When you generously give your clients a stylish cap or useful promotional product, it reminds your client that you have a relevant, growing company that will help them stay relevant as well. Once you switch your mindset from finding the cheapest to providing the smartest, your merchandise will finally start working for you. Click the link to get started on your next project.